Okay, I'm going to show you how to design. It's kind of bad lighting right now. I'm going to show you how to make a popping sound with your finger. All you got to do is get your finger like this, your index finger or your pointer finger. You just put it in the side of your mouth right here. Say this is my mouth. You put it right here and pop it. Like, you don't push so hard that like you hurt yourself. Just go. You could do it on both sides. And like the way you do it is on this side is the same except with a different finger. I don't know if you're able to do it like this. You probably can. It's just like it's better if you just go like this. So that's how you make the popping sound. All you gotta do is put your finger in one of your cheeks. If it's this finger, it has to be this side. If it's this finger, it has to be this side. Just go like this. And that's how you make the popping sound with your hand in your mouth.